Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the live stream. So today we're creating a promotional video. Why do I have to create a promotional video? So basically, I have a live class coming up for a client, and basically we need to create some social posts so that people know what it's about. And basically, what we're gonna do is create these videos that talk about the pain points that people will eventually get over by attending this class, or hopefully get over at least if they pay attention. So we're going to be using AI to write these video scripts. So let's get right into it. I'm going to show you how I do it with Yara. Super simple. I love their framework, and I'm just going to get right into it. So I'm just going to split the screen here. Boom, boom. Get that out of the way. So here it is. I'll move this. Maybe down here? No, down here. Cool. That's a good spot. Okay. You don't really need to see anything other than that part. Okay. So the client is this one right here, Doug Dane. And he runs a company called Doug Dane Coaching. And so our ideal buyer's audience are sales, or maybe just like freelancers, coaches, and solopreneurs. Let's see here. Did I spell that right? Solopreneurs. Okay. Wow, is that really not how it's spelled? Okay. There we go. All right, we got our ideal buyer audience. Very, very nice. I could also add just like sales people. And there we go. So a list of benefits that people are going to be getting, key features. So in here, I started creating. So if you don't know, there is a framework inside Yara that helps you build up your brand script. So before every campaign, basically what we do, we develop a brand script. And basically what this does is it entitles what are the keywords that we want to say during our event. What is our pain points? What is our problem that we're trying to solve? What does our customer want? What does success look like at the end? What are we trying to make them avoid? And how do we show up as an authority while being empathetic? So that is right in. So I think this is not it. This is the start of it. I'm just going to zoom in so you guys could see a little bit easier. So the event is called 3 Essentials to Sell More, a live event where people can learn the 3 essentials to sell more. Very simple. And basically through Yara, we kind of developed what people could be scared about, what they want, and kind of like what. So this is kind of like the business description, like the event description. And out of that description, we got what they want. And Yara gave us this. I want to be confident in my abilities to sell. I want to learn how to close more deals and make more money. The villain is the pressure to sell or low self-confidence. And that's like the villain. Like that's like who we hate as a business. Like we want to conquer that. External, you're not closing enough deals. This is their problem externally. People not buying a product. Internally, they're having conflict with their abilities. They don't believe in themselves. And philosophically, they're afraid of being pushy. You know, having that salesman mindset that you are a snake oil salesman and you're just being too pushy. You know, that's a real philosophical problem people deal with, for sure. They probably grew up with parents that told them never to trust salespeople. And they probably went to lots of car dealerships, yada, yada, yada. So what they need to do is they need to get over their fear and how to learn how to sell more. I need to believe in myself and my products. Cool. So we need to list a bunch of features. So we're going to take all of this and as I'm writing this out, I want to change it in the features. So I'm just going to copy and paste that in there and see what Yara gives us. So here we are. We got our standard benefits and your emotional benefits. So I'm just going to copy, and then we go back right here and just paste that in. I'm going to take out these standard benefits as well, the jot notes, and there we are. So what's the current pain or negative circumstance is your customer facing? So it's going to be these guys right here. Negative circumstance. So basically they have a business or working for a business and want to be able to sell more product or services, but don't seem to find the confidence or know how to have that conversation. So I did switch it up there. I just instantly, something came to me. I was like, you know what? I need to this comes to me. Confidence. There we go. Cool. So what's a scary fact? So usually facts help a ton. So let's just look something up. What's some what? Let's look at it. What is sales really? And we're just gonna look for a little fact. I usually trust HubSpot, so I like using their website. Maybe we could say a scary negative fact about sales people. Let's do this. I think that's a better way. If you're using this, just type it, just highlight what's a scary negative fact and just put in what you want. Okay. I actually don't mind this one. So maybe someone wants to offload the work to another salesman. So basically this fact is saying before you could hire a rockstar salesperson, you have to be one yourself. Let's do that. Let's see how it turns out. Sometimes it's not as, they don't take too much weight to that sentence. So I think we can get away if it's not exactly right. What's the big idea? Sell more. The big idea is that Sell more in your business. That's basically, I guess, right? And he has worked with 2,000. He's coached 2,000 people, working professionals. The goal is this one. And I think I need to, so I think that's a good ultimate goal, wouldn't you say? So we have the customer's initial goal. What are the customer's ultimate goal that results from this? And I think that works, right? Like, I need to get over my fear and learn how to sell more. And then my ultimate goal is to end the work week satisfied, basically, right? Satisfied that you've closed a bunch of deals, yada, 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 right? And how is your product delivered? So this is on the 17th of November. There we go. What is the name of your product? Sell more. What's the price? Free. Tone. Persuasive. I always like the persuasive. I always find comes out a lot more smooth. All right, let's get it. Let's see what we got here. Okay. So I gave us two options here. Just gonna go like this and do that. So the first one. Hi, my name is Doug Dane. I'm a sales coach. I help people who are not getting results in the business to learn how to sell more and make more money. If you're someone who wants to learn how to sell more products or services but doesn't seem to find the confidence or know how to start that conversation, this class is for you. Before you hire rockstar stars, you have to be rockstar stars yourself. In this live class on November 17th, I'm going to show you how to sell more in your business. As a working professional, we need to get all the fears. I learned how to sell more. If we want, okay, that one's mediocre for sure. Like it is, but it's not the best. Hi, my name is Doug Dane, and I'm a sales coach. And my name is coaching salespeople. I found the number one reason people don't close more deals is the lack of confidence. They don't believe in themselves. It's a big problem because if you don't believe in yourself, how do you expect anyone else to? So, okay. See, this is what we need to do to fix this. If we don't like our output, you kind of find the sections that you don't like. So I didn't like this part. So yeah, let's try this. So I just made the adjustments. Sorry, the camera's in the way. Hope you guys like the Christmas tree. Looking pretty good, eh? Okay. So, this first one, I love it. It starts off with a question. Are you struggling to get the results you want? Do you find it difficult to sell or overcome your fears? If so, then this class is for you. In just 60 to 90 minutes, I'll show you how to simple adjust your life that will help you close more deals and make more money. Okay, just one sec. I don't really like that one per se at the beginning. Hi, my name is Doug Dane. I'm a sales coach. Last week ago, oh, I like this. Whether you're selling a product, service, or just an idea, being able to sell is essential to success. The fact is, okay, so I need to change this because it's really fucking me up. So the fact is, sales isn't as scary as parents or bragging about. I think it's not bragging, it's complaining. Okay, let's try that. I think that could work. Let's see. One more time. One more time. Sometimes it takes a while. It bees like that sometimes. It's not a bad thing. Um Hi, my name is Doug Dane. I'm a sales coach. In my last I've coached, I've closed more deals and made more money in a single year than I had in my entire career. I do like this one. Okay, I'm gonna take this one and put it into the bin. So we're gonna do headline 1, sales script 1. Go down, boom. And so basically, oh sorry. So what I did just now is we have a Google Docs that me and my client have, Doug Dane. And what I do is I put them all in here. I'm gonna probably put like 1 to maybe 3 sales scripts, and he's gonna pick one and he's gonna record it for me and send it back to me. I'm gonna edit, put captions on it, and put it out to the world on his platforms for people to see and sign up for the event, right? So that's basically what I'm doing here. So I just wanted to check the second one real quick. And I like this short one right here. There we go. Okay, we're just gonna do one more time, just because why not? Let's see what we get. Like, it's always fun to see. It's like a casino game. Like, you just don't know what you're getting. Sometimes like it comes out really baller, and you're like, oh my god, like this is gonna kill. Okay, here we go. I don't know mind that one. Oh, I do like this one. Okay, so we have kind of like our 3. And there we go. Perfect. All right. So we're pretty much done here. This is it. And now I have these, and we're just going to turn them into videos for people to watch, basically. Very simple, right? So that's basically it. I hope you guys saw what Yara could do. You know, to tell you a quick story, basically, when I was coming up in marketing, like, honestly, writing out these scripts was a pain, because basically what I would do is I would go watch videos and, listen to all these people talk about how these frameworks worked. But being able to type it out myself, it was quite difficult, because you never really truly understood like what to say inside these like short 4 paragraphs, essentially. And it was quite hard. But as soon as I started using Yara and Yara using the frameworks for me, it started opening up my mind to like how to actually say these type of things. So when I move forward, I know I'm using Yara a lot, but now it's actually helping me recognize what does a good sales script look like, and now I could see it, and it's relevant to me, and I can see how I would write it now. And there's many different variations of it all too now. So it's been super helpful. I'm very grateful for Yara and the sales script. Like honestly, my client Doug, he loves it. So I think he's really enjoying these sales scripts, and he just likes reading them and then giving me videos on them because it takes way too long to write a video script, especially you need like a bunch right away and a quick turnaround of events. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, like, subscribe, share this with somebody that might need it. Even if you don't think they need it, probably just send it to them anyways because it's a lifesaver. With content being able to you have to produce content so fast nowadays, dude. Yara using AI is just so helpful. So I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and